Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I always do this whenever I start my video because it is hot. So anyways, today's video is going to be a WTF and I mean it. So अगर आप लोग Instagram follow करते हैं then you guys must be knowing about GlamGlow. That's right. It is actually a very renowned mask company, face mask company, and you might see, आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे अच्छे बड़े बड़े YouTubers they are posting their photographs using face masks, their face masks. Actually, I'm also one of them who did that. Yeah. So anyways, today's video is going to be about the WTF about GlamGlow. मुझे लगा कि अभी तक इंडियन यूट्यूब में अभी तक GlamGlow के ऊपर नहीं हुआ है रिव्यू, so I just thought that I should share my reviews with you guys. So first let me just tell you some things about GlamGlow. I'm grabbing my phone so that I can tell you about GlamGlow. I have their homepage and let me just read it out first. GlamGlow was founded by Glenn and Shannon Delimore in 2010, exclusively for backstage and professional use in Hollywood's entertainment, music, fashion and award industries. Okay. In 2011, GlamGlow was made available for retail and has took the world by storm in months that followed. Well, that is actually true because I have seen so many pics. I'm sure कि अगर आप Instagram follow करते हो तो आपने एक ना एक pic तो ज़रूर देखी होगी about GlamGlow, about somebody taking their pic using their mask, using their gravity mud. Like उनके बहुत सारे mask हैं जो बहुत famous है. Like they have like gravity mud, youth mud, their super mud. So बहुत सारे उनके पास ऐसे mud masks हैं. उनके पास बहुत सारे mud masks हैं and they are actually like, I won't say, I'll tell you later. A patent for our T-Oxy, that is what they have in their GlamGlow. T-Oxy, real leaf technology, and becoming globally recognized for fast-acting, innovative mud treatments that deliver instant visible results. Okay, so this is what GlamGlow claims. Like they are supposed to be आप अगर आप उनके रिव्यूज़ भी पढ़ोगे, जो इंस्टाग्राम पे उनका पेजेस होते हैं, अगर आप वो भी पढ़ोगे तो दे हैव इट्स अ फेशियल इन अ जार एंड इट गिव्स यू अ फ्लैश इन अ मिनट एंड ऐसे एकदम हाइप किए हुए उनके हमेशा पेजेस होते हैं. आई वॉज इंटरेस्टेड. आई एम अ बिग स्किन केयर जंकी, तो आई बॉट 2 of their masks. So I have their youth mud tingle exfoliating treatment and the other one is GlamGlow Flash Mud Brightening Treatment. I have 2 of these and I have used them both. I got this one from Amazon. Youth Mud मैंने पहले मंगवाया था और ये मैंने Amazon से मंगवाया था. Then I was interested in testing out their another masks, so I got this Flash Mud and this one I got from strawberrynet.com and oh my god, are they way up there in price. Yeah, with that I mean way up there. I mean this jar is for 4,500 and this one is for 4,500. This one I got for 3,500 because there was a sale going on strawberrynet.com. So I got this little guy for 3,500. Okay, so let me just show you how much I have used. This is my youth mud. As you guys can see, I have used it a lot. And this one is gravity mud, their flash mud. I have used it a lot too. And this one smells citrusy, I should say. Yeah, this one smells like citrus and spa. Let's just see how this one smells. This one has even in smell, it kind of tingles. पहले मैं आपको ये दिखाती हूँ कि मैं ये कैसे यूज़ करती हूँ. दोनों मास्क यूज़ करने से पहले ऑफ कोर्स मैं अपनी स्किन को क्लेंस कर लेती हूँ और मैं मास्क ज़्यादातर नाइट टाइम पे ही यूज़ करती हूँ. बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड आई अप्लाई दिस मास्क और पहले अपने फेस को क्लेंस करके, यू गाइस नो आई डबल क्लेंस माई फेस. आई यूज़ माई DIY क्लेंजर, माई मेकअप रिमूवर एंड देन सेकेंडली आई डू अ फेस वॉश क्लेंस और उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट आई अप्लाई दीज मास्क. लेट मी शो यू हाउ आई डू इट. So let's start with youth mud. Okay,
मैं ये भी दिन में डे लाइट में शूट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज यू नो आई यूज़ नेचुरल लाइट, अदरवाइज मैं ये मास्क नाइट में ही यूज़ करती हूँ. Mine is a bit dry, so what I do is add some water to it for a smoother application. अब मैं इसकी एक पतली सी लेयर लगाती हूँ ऑल ओवर माई फेस एक्सक्लूडिंग माई लिप एंड माई आई एरिया ऑफ कोर्स. और प्लीज़ मैं आपको एक एडवाइस और करूँगी कि कोई भी मास्क लगाने से पहले एक पैच टेस्ट ज़रूर करके देख लें, और अगर आपको कंफर्टेबल लगता है कोई मास्क तभी आप वो मास्क आगे यूज़ करें. बिकॉज अब ये जो मास्क है ये थोड़ा सा टिंगल करता है फेस पे, और बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होता बट ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ा सा होता है, तो इसलिए आई वुड सजेस्ट टू डू अ पैच टेस्ट बिफोर अप्लाइंग इट ऑल ओवर योर फेस. इसमें जो आपको ये ब्लैक कलर के स्पॉट्स दिख रहे हैं, दीज आर सपोज टू बी ग्रीन टी लीव्स, और एज यू गाइज नो ग्रीन टी इज़ अ वेरी गुड एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. तो this is what this mask is all about making you look younger and making your skin firmer. Mask on Sephora site, it says that this mask, it moisturizes, exfoliates and lifts away impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils. Anti-aging ingredients brighten smooth while delivering a tighter, more youthful appearance with visibly minimized pores. So once this mask is completely dried, I damp my face. थोड़ा सा पानी लेके मैं अपने पूरे फेस, पूरे मास्क को गीला कर लेती हूँ. And after that, I'll start rubbing my face gently so as to exfoliate the dead skin, whatever dead skin is there on my face. I start rubbing gently and exfoliate it. Now after this I clean my face with warm water, and my skin is so soft that I love it. So let's start with the Glam Glow Flash Mud. Now this is supposed to be a multi-targeted, multi-sensorial, quick results brightening treatment for radiant, youthful looking skin. Now what I do is apply a thin layer of it all over my face first, and after that I will massage it into my face. This is how they say to do it. Massage it into your face after applying it, and then I leave it for around 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I'll wash my face. So this Flash Mud, this have so many technology based ingredients in it, like I'll read it out to you later. There are many things in it. So this Flash Mud is, they say, is a solution for dark spots and uneven skin tone, dullness and uneven texture. And after it is absorbed into my face, I will wash it out with warm water. And this is the after it is absorbed into my face, I will wash it out with warm water, and this is the end result.
So as you guys must know by my demonstration कि मुझे ये दोनों ही masks बहुत पसंद हैं. I mean I can actually see results after using Youth Mud. I can actually see the results. और यूथ मड पे ज़्यादातर तभी यूज़ करती हूँ when I have to go like a special place to a special place. like जैसे मुझे अगर रात को किसी भी फंक्शन में जाना है, कभी भी मुझे फंक्शन में जाना है, तो उससे पहले I will apply a mask, और फिर उसके बाद I'll do the rest of my makeup. Let me tell you what the guys say about Youth Mud. Originally designed as a 10-minute professional facial in a jar for behind the scenes use in Hollywood entertainment, music, fashion and in award industry, Youth Mud provides gentle resurfacing exfoliation and helps to leave skin smoother, brighter and softer, resulting in immediate camera ready glowing skin. So मुझे लगता है कि वाकई में ये जो कहता है ये वो करता है, because I have experienced it on my own कि जब भी मैं यूथ मड यूज़ करती हूँ, it exfoliates, it tingles, it still tingles, और ये exfoliation भी करता है, very mild exfoliation, but the result is so nice that after like removing the mask, I can actually feel my face to be like baby's butt soft. They are like so soft. So I really like this Youth Mud. Would I recommend it to you? Yes, definitely. Go and get it. Okay, so next we'll talk about Flash Mud. Flash Mud मैंने basically summers के लिए ही लिया था because summers में in Delhi in India it is very hot और बहुत जल्दी टैनिंग हो जाती है हमारी स्किन पे as we are Asians, so हमें बहुत जल्दी टैनिंग हो जाती है. So I grabbed this Flash Mud just to see how it affects my skin and how does my skin look after using it during summers. और मैंने ये काफ़ी अच्छे टाइम तक ट्राई किया है, लाइक यू गाइज नो कि अभी जुलाई चल रहा है, तो मैंने काफ़ी अच्छे टाइम तक लाइक मार्च से मैंने शुरू करा है ट्राई करना. एंड यू गाइज कैन सी कि मेरी कितनी सी क्वांटिटी यूज़ हुई है. सो दे आर लाइक वैल्यू फॉर योर मनी. You get almost 70, I guess, around 70 uses out of this small jar. So I guess it is a value for money. So let's talk about Flash Mud. It is a multi-sensorial quick results brightening treatment. Powerful and innovative multi-brightening complexes help to create the brightest, lightest and luminous perfect skin. The T-Oxy technology in Flash Mud is white birch leaf. It delivers natural betulin acid and ellagic acid, I guess, to create an improved color balanced skin tone. White energy is a brilliant fusion of powerful natural actives to create intense, bright and even results. Flash Lucent is a combination of skin translucency optimizers featuring 3 levels of exfoliation to drive ingredients into the skin for luminous, younger looking skin. Reflectrum is a blend of brightening ingredients boosted with diamond photoilluminants to increase the reflective level of the skin and make it appear radiant and more attractive. Designed for instant and extended results for men and women of all ages, all skin types and all skin tones. So as you guys can tell, it is such a long, you guys can see, it is so long, but it has like so many things in it which nobody of us knows what they are. But anyways, so this is what they claim, that it gives instant brightening effect to your skin. And yes, I think that it does. I do apply it at night time, at bed time. And of course, अगर आप कोई फ्लैशनिंग ट्रीटमेंट, कोई ब्राइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट यूज़ कर रहे हो तो you have to use an SPF with it. Please keep that in mind. Without SPF आपका कोई भी ब्राइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट काम नहीं करेगा. Anyways, so you will be tanned immediately. So of course you'll have to get an SPF with it, and that is what it says on the box too, कि आपको ये SPF के साथ ही यूज़ करना है. So yes, do I see results after using Flash Mud? Yes, I do. Do I think you need it? Yeah, but because you can see na, it is value for money. I was just calculating. The one-time use of this mask will cost you around 64.28 rupees. So that is like not much for a one-day facial. Yeah, because it is a very nice mask. और बहुत ही थोड़ी क्वांटिटी में यूज़ करना होता है. जैसा कि आपने देखा है मेरी वीडियो में, आई अप्लाइड इन अ वेरी थिन लेयर एंड आई यूज़ दिस मास्क मोस्टली 2 to 3 times a week, and that is the reason of my flawless looking skin. I'm just kidding. No, we all have bad days, but still anyways, I will recommend to take care of your skin. अपनी स्किन का आपको खुद ही ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Like I am above 30 and I'm not getting any younger, तो I take care of my skin. So ग्लैम ग्लो एक अच्छी कंपनी है और yes, मैंने उनका एक थर्ड मास्क ग्रेविटी मड भी ऑर्डर कर रखा है और आई गेट इट एनी डे नाउ. सो आई विल बी ट्राइंग दैट ऑल्सो, और आई विल लेट यू गाइज नो वॉट आई थिंक अबाउट दैट ग्रेविटी मास्क ऑल्सो. And do I think you guys should try it? Yes, you should. I mean, I know it's a bit on your pocket, like एकदम से आपको इतना पैसा देना पड़ रहा है, but then again, like I told you in maths कि हर एक यूज़ के लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा नहीं है और आपको थोड़ी सी क्वांटिटी यूज़ करनी है. यू आर नॉट अप्लाइंग टू मच ऑन योर फेस. सो आई गेस इट इज़ अ विन-विन सिचुएशन फॉर everyone who wants to take good care of their skin. So it is a win-win situation. And this is my review, my thought on Glam Glow. Or I hope that you guys like this video, and if you like this video then please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel down below. That would mean a lot to me. Also you can click on the bell sign besides the subscribe button. उससे मेरा next video कब upload होगा उसकी notification आपको मिल जाएगी. And that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.